guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel nidafirdose. So in this video we are going to talk about content marketing funnel. Yes, so where you will be understanding how to create a content marketing funnel that will consistently drive traffic, leads and sales with no paid advertisement. Yes, so let's get started. So let's first understand what exactly is a content marketing funnel. Content marketing funnel is nothing but is basically a system that takes as many leads as possible, okay, through the step-by-step process flow, and then it converts those prospects into leads, and then those leads into your buying customers or the clients who are ready to buy your product or services. Simple as that. So let's just see an example. For example, when customers first encounter a piece of your content, maybe on Instagram or YouTube or LinkedIn, that means they have entered your funnel. Okay, just imagine. So whenever you have this cold audience who don't know who exactly you are, let's say if you don't know me, that means you are discovering me, or you are seeing me for the first time on Instagram, LinkedIn or YouTube. That means you're entering my funnel. Okay, and if everything is done well, every piece of my content, whatever you consume or whatever I serve to you, if that goes well, that means I am basically serving you and helping you to get more deeper inside the funnel. And then when I pitch my product or services, you are most likely to buy that. Cool. So we call this a funnel because your goal here is to attract as many prospects or as many leads as possible, narrow them down based on who is most qualified or interested, and turn them into customers. Simple, guys. Okay, just imagine that funnel avatar once. Okay, and you have like too many leads. Why is the top of the funnel so wider? Because you are getting the cold audience. You are getting as many prospects, as many leads as possible who don't know you, who are not aware of what exactly is their problem. Okay, and then you are basically nurturing them. How? But through your content. They consume your content on Instagram, they consume your content on YouTube, they consume your content on LinkedIn. So like that, you're nurturing them, you are basically educating them, and they are actually getting to know what exactly is their problem. They are actually they're actually getting nurtured and getting deep inside the funnel, and they then come to a particular step where they are actually aware of what exactly is their problem, and now they're seeking for solutions. What you are giving to them through your Instagram, YouTube or LinkedIn content. So like this, you qualify and people get deeper inside the funnel. And that's how you have this wide range of audience on top of the funnel, and they just get gradually decreased and come to this bottom of the funnel. And then you get set of leads or prospects who are most likely to buy your product or services, because you have filtered out those people who will not purchase your product or service. Simple as that. This is your content marketing funnel. So but wait, now that you have understood what exactly is a content marketing funnel, it's very important to also understand why do you exactly need a content marketing funnel. Okay, that's very important. The reason that you need a content marketing funnel is because with content marketing funnel, you are basically designing a path for your audience through different types of contents, basically, while ensuring that they convert into your leads and then your paying customers. So basically, as I said in the previous slide, that it's basically a system wherein you're getting too many leads and then you're nurturing them to to find those loyal. But how do you do that? Why do you need a funnel? Because see, when it comes to, for example, where exactly are they consuming your content? It's on Instagram, it's on YouTube, it's on LinkedIn, it's or this platforms where exactly in the podcast, etc. Right? So when it comes to content can be in different types, like educational content, inspirational content, promotional content, etc. So now it's up to you just to see what stage exactly is your audience and putting that kind of content. For example, if your audience is in the top of the funnel who are not aware of their problem, then you most likely put out educational content just to show that this is Nida and she knows what she's talking about and she is good in this, and this is how you educated audience. That means whenever that kind of whenever that topic comes, for example about funnels, for example about content writing, people should get your name, that okay, so I saw her video, I saw her content, I saw her post, and this is how you basically come to their mind, because they are actually getting, to know what exactly is their problem, and also that you are the go-to expert in the industry. Okay, so this way you're educating them, you're basically helping them to get to know their problem. And you basically, like, do this, put educational content, you put inspirational content, etc. So this is the whole purpose here, wherein you're basically educating them through your content, and also filtering out people who will not, like, purchase your product or service in the end. And this way of filtering and getting, like, coming close to those people, those set of people who will most likely buy your product or services. So let's read once again. Now maybe you will understand. So the reason why content marketing funnel is important is because with content marketing funnel, you are designing a path for your audience through various types of content, as I said, while ensuring that they convert into leads and then you're buying customers. Simple. Always start building up a loyal clientele first and then focus on selling your product and services. A lot of people do this mistake. Okay, so when you put out educational content, okay, cool, the audience is actually, like, trying to understand what exactly is their problem. Okay, so they are getting, they were unaware, now they are actually getting to know their problem. But this will not be good, like, once doing that, just getting into, like, selling your product or services, because that will not help you to get more sales in future. So the thing how you have to do is, first you have to build that clientele. Okay, educate them. Okay, and convert those prospects who didn't know you, the cold audience, into warm audience. Warm audience are basically those person now who know Nida. Okay, so who know what exactly is the content she's putting out, and who trust her, who consumes her content, who loves her content. Okay, so this way now they know what exactly she's talking about. That means they are your warm audience. And then at that time, you basically, like, come up with some inspirational or promotional content. Those people are most likely to convert into hot, like, leads, and then, like, buy your product or services. But what people do usually is reverse. Okay, they just, like, try to sell their product and services without building this base. The base is very important, because until and unless people don't know who you are, what kind of content you put, what do you do, they will not purchase. And this is why most of them actually lose their sales. Okay, so read this once again. Always start with building your clientele first and then focus on selling your product and services. Simple. Which means you should use your content to entice your visitors, to motivate them to interact with your business, guys. Okay, as I said before, like, yes, you are educating your audience know what you are talking about. So your content should basically motivate them, your content should actually, like, entice them, your content should actually, like, make them feel like, yes, now if I have the solution, yeah, if Nida comes up with the solution in future, then I'll be the first person to take up that, because now they are aware of their problem, and now they also know you, now they also trust you. Simple. So this is the cycle how you have to basically go through. First, your base should be very much strong, like, build your foundation, like, build that, like, strong clientele first. Okay, put up such content, like, they should basically interact with your content, they should engage with your content. That will actually motivate them, that will entice them. And then when you come up with your product or service, then when you come up with a, promotional content, they will be the person who are going to buy. Simple, right? I hope you guys understood this part. Now that you have understood, what is a content marketing funnel and why do you need one, let's also see how does a content marketing funnel exactly look like. Simple. Okay, I know most of them would have seen, but mostly agar aapne nahi dekha hai to, so this is how basically the content marketing funnel looks like. As you see here, okay, this is the funnel design, and it basically divided into three parts. Top of the funnel, which is tofu, middle of the funnel, which is mofu, and bottom of the funnel, which is bofu. So the top of the funnel is actually wider because you get a lot of, like, cold audience, because if you get 1,000 people or if you get 200 people, you basically nurture them, you create awareness at that particular stage. By awareness, I mean you're educating them. You're basically telling them about the problems which actually they are unaware of. Okay, the problems. Okay, like making your prospects, problem and solution aware. Simple. For example, if I'm a coach and I don't know about funnel, okay, so but funnels can help my business. So if you are a funnel builder, I don't know about funnels, so you are educating me about funnels. You're basically, like, educating me. If you are a coach, then this is how, like, funnels will help you. So that means I didn't know about this problem, and actually I'm getting to know. That means I was unaware, and your content and, like, you are basically giving me the solution. You're basically making me aware of my problem. Simple. So this is how the tofu, like the works. So this is how you come up with the content there. So that's why you get a lot of leads, and then you nurture them, and it just gradually decreases. And that is why the shape of the funnel is like this. And then if you have like 100 or 200 people, you basically nurture and come to 50, and then you come to like 25. So now 25 are your most like loyal people who are actually interested, who were cold audience, who were not aware, and now they're aware of the problem. They are into the mofo, and they have basically went through all the stages of the funnel, and they are the hot leads. Simple. Okay. And they are most likely to buy. If not today, tomorrow, definitely they're going to buy. So this is how the content marketing funnel basically looks like, and this is how it basically works. Okay. Wherein and the tofu stage, you're basically they're unaware of the problem, and you are actually making them aware of the problem. Okay. Make prospects problem and solutions aware. And then coming to middle of the funnel, where you convert the problem and solution aware prospects into leads. Okay. Where the prospects who were not aware of the problem, now who are aware of the problem, you are basically converting them into the leads, which is also called as the evaluation or the consideration stage. Okay. So it has like different words, but at the end, the overall purpose is same. And then again, you nurture them, and now you the leads what you have in the MOFU, that is middle of the funnel stage, you're basically new leads can now make an informed purchase decision. That means now they are fully nurtured, now they're hot leads, and now they can take a decision of purchasing your product or services, which is basically the conversion stage, what we call it as. Okay. So this is how the content marketing funnel basically looks like, guys. I hope you understood like what exactly is the content marketing funnel, how does it look like, and why do you need one, which is very, very important. So this was basically the part one. I hope you understood. Okay. In my next video, which will be the part two, I'll be basically talking about each and every stage in detail. So when I say in detail, I mean like, what exactly do you do in the topo funnel and what kind of content you come up with, everything in detail. Okay. I hope you love it. If you have any sort of doubt, anytime, my DMs are always open. Thank you. And yes, any doubts, you can always reach out to me on Instagram. I'll be happy to help you. Okay. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.